Never have I ever eaten such delicious sandwich. These easy to make, crunchy on the outside and creamy on the inside sandwiches are packed with greens like broccoli, spinach, basil, corn, and two kinds of cheddar cheese. Those who hate broccoli, spinach, or any kind of greens seem to be loving these sandwiches, so I thought I really want to share this recipe with you all. I prepared these sandwiches for my last two get together, and it was a super hit. So yes, you can prepare these sandwiches for your picnic party as well. You can prepare the sandwich ahead of time and just grill before serving. Welcome back to Bauna's Kitchen and Living. And for those who are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel because you definitely don't want to miss my weekly videos. To prepare the stuffing, chop 2 cups of spinach, grate 2 cups of broccoli, chop half cup of basil and keep them aside. You can sneak in as many greens as you want for the stuffing. Next, heat up a tablespoon of oil into the pan. Add minced garlic and fry lightly. Add corn. I'm using frozen, but fresh corn can be used. Add broccoli. And cook all these together about 2 minutes on a low to medium heat. Cover to cook faster. Now season with salt, pepper, and red chili pepper flakes. Ready to add spinach as well. Stir till all spinach is wilted. And ready to add cheese. I am adding both white and yellow cheddar cheese here, but you can use your favorite cheese. Finally, add basil and our stuffing is ready. This stuffing can be refrigerated up to 4 days and prepare sandwiches anytime you want. Now take your choice of sliced bread. You can definitely choose your favorite variety of bread here. Scoop about 1/3 cup of stuffing on one slice of bread, spreading it in circle. Next, place another slice of bread on it and shape it round using cookie cutter or any sharp edged lid. Apply butter on both sides of sandwiches. Heat up the pan on a medium heat and grill the sandwiches on both sides till golden brown and crispy. When done, remove the grilled sandwiches from the pan and bring on to the plate or onto the cutting board. If desired, cut sandwiches in half for the moon shape and also to show off the ooey gooey stuffing. Serve immediately for the best crunchy part, but they can be packed in a lunchbox as well. Taste amazing. These sandwiches got super duper hit during two of my last get together, and so I highly recommend to try out this recipe, not just for picnic party, but you can take it into your lunch box as well. I know it won't be just as crispy as when you make them, but they still taste amazing, and they're perfect for even any weeknight when you don't have really so much of time to prepare the whole meal. So enjoy however you want. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. You can visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. You can download Bhavna's Kitchen app totally free on your iOS, Android and many other mobile devices. You can watch me on a big TV screen using Amazon, Roku or YouTube app itself. Thank you for watching and see you soon.